Okay, guys, I have some fantastic news. Young Living has released for us Canadians a whole collection of oils, 15 of them actually, and they are part of the NHP collection. What is NHP? NHP is an acronym for Natural Health Product. What does that mean? It means that these oils have been approved by Health Canada as natural health products. And what that means for us is we can make specific claims relative to these oils and how they can benefit your health and some common ailments. Can I get a woohoo? This is so crazy exciting. It's only available here in Canada. And what that means for us is we can tell people publicly, confidently, that we have oils that are specifically awesome for certain different conditions. Here's the kit. 15 oils and a few other goodies. We're going to go through them one by one. Beautiful canvas case. I call this my new first aid kit. Everybody needs to have one of these in the home. It also came with a little card with little stickers that we put on the tops of the bottles, and it's like a little quick reference guide. So just in case you didn't already know, it tells you what each oil is fantastic for. So we're going to go through them one by one. First two, cedarwood and rosemary. We've probably been using these for a long, long time, but did you know cedarwood and rosemary are fantastic for cuts and for burns? Yeah, I know, right? So if you have a small cut, small burn, we get them all the time working in the kitchen, touching things that are too hot. Reach for the cedarwood, reach for the rosemary. You can apply these neat, or you can dilute them if it's for children, and they're fantastic for burns and cuts. Next one, stress and relaxation. I know you guys already probably have your favorite oils for these things, but we have two specific oil bottles. I'm so excited about this that we can recommend for people. One is Stress Away. Hello, how many of us put a couple of drops of these in the tub or diffuse this at night when the day has been absolutely nuts? Yeah, most of us. Stress Away, could not have thought of a better name for this beautiful blend of oils. But lemongrass, I don't usually reach for lemongrass. Sometimes in the summer I'll diffuse it, and I think lemongrass and I automatically think bugs for some reason, probably because of those citronella candles we've all bought. But I don't know if you've ever noticed, but maybe next time you go to the spa, make a mental note of it. A lot of spas will diffuse lemongrass. Why? Because it's fantastic for just de-escalating that stress level. We've all got it, especially as moms. We're crazy, busy, insane, and we need to find a little bit of sanity. Here's some sanity in a bottle, ladies. It's not sanity really, but Stress Away. These are great in your diffuser. That's my favorite way to use them. Next we have, oh, this is great. Eczema and dermatitis, two common skin ailments that just plague so many people. How often do you see people saying, what can I use for my eczema and my dermatitis? A lot of us are prescribed different steroid creams for our skin, which we know can have some nasty side effects. But yeah, you know what? Essential oils to the rescue once again. Bergamot. This smells so fantastic. Apply this. You can put a drop in your favorite cream if you want to do that. I like to just apply this right onto my skin along with carrot oil. Carrot seed oil, sorry. We've known about the skin benefits of carrot seed oil forever, and now we can tell people if you have eczema or any type of dermatitis, these are going to be what you want to use in your skincare regime. I have all kinds of recipes for DIY skincare. Emma and I love to make our own. Carrot seed has always been an ingredient, but I think we're going to try bergamot now. We hadn't tried it for topical use before. Headache. How many people get headaches on a regular basis? I mean, there's so many reasons for getting headache. Maybe we're a little bit tired. Maybe we're a little bit dehydrated. It's important to drink water. We know all of those things, but there are essential oils that can really help with headaches. We all have our favorite blends, but now I can tell you lavender and eucalyptus. How many of you would have thought eucalyptus? We usually grab peppermint, right? Because we love that on so many levels. Eucalyptus and lavender, fantastic for headache. I like to put them in a roller ball, dilute them, put them on the back of my neck, or if my headache's really nasty, I'll kind of create a halo with the oils, and it will just help to ease that tension right away. How many of you ate too much over the holidays? Digestive discomfort. You know that commercial with the guys dressed in the pink jumpsuits and they're talking about all those things that happen when we eat too much? Yeah, well, now I've got something even better than the pink stuff. Digize and peppermint. Two of my favorite oils for when I'm feeling, you know the feeling, right, ladies? and gentlemen. And then we have joint and muscle pain. You're shoveling up here in Northern Ontario. We got about 40,000 feet of snow, and today is really mild, so the snow is crazy heavy. That means a lot of shoveling, and with a lot of shoveling often comes a lot of muscle strains and pains. Reach for cypress and wintergreen. Cypress is so great for circulation, get the blood flowing to that area that you hurt. But wintergreen, you're all familiar with those over-the-counter pain rubs, right? We put those on when we pull something or strain something. It's the wintergreen that's in there that really gives you that warm, soothing feeling, kind of like a little heating pad in a bottle. So cypress and wintergreen, fantastic combo for joint and muscle pain. And last but not least, this is cold season. If you don't already have a cold or haven't had one yet, you're probably going to catch one. Everybody seems to be sick. So when you have a cough and when you have a cold, there are so many things that we reach for, but I'm going to get you reaching for essential oils. Tea tree is antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral. It's got so many fantastic properties, great for when you're coughing so much. And you all know that when you cough too much, you don't sleep very well. Clove is another one. Surprise! Not a lot of us would have thought to reach for clove when we're coughing or when we have a nasty cold, but it's a fantastic oil for that. And then my favorite, a powerhouse. When you don't know which oils to reach for and you're coughing and you've got a nasty cold, let Young Living take the guesswork out of it. Reach for the RC. I think RC stands for respiratory care. I'm not really sure, but if I had to guess, that's what I would suggest, or that's what I would guess. Because Dr. Gary Young was fantastic in knowing what oils to blend to really help us to the max. So RC in the diffuser constantly, especially at night if you're coughing, you want to get that restful night's sleep so that you can heal quicker. So you reach for the essential oils. You find a natural way, nature's way of helping us to feel better. It doesn't get much better than that. The kit also comes with some hand sanitizer, an empty bottle here in case you want to make your own blends, and then a little spray bottle. I love to use these little spray bottles. I make a thieves spray in here actually, so I'll put a little bit of thieves oil, some witch hazel, and distilled water. And when people are sick, or I'm sick, we go around spraying down things in the house, like your light switches, your fridge handle. People don't usually think of that, right? Door handles, anything that you touch. This is where you're leaving germs behind, so you want to spray something that's going to kill those germs. But wait, there's more. As awesome as that kit is, because I bought that, Young Living also sent me all these freebies, just as a thank you for buying this kit. Young Living really rewards us very well for making purchases of their product every month. They send us free oils and they give us points that we can use to redeem for more free oils. So it's kind of crazy how big my collection has gotten, and I love that a lot of it was free. So here's what I got in free oils this month. Citrus Fresh, a big bottle, 15 mils. I like to use this in the car diffuser. It's like bringing the scent of spring into your home or into your car. Fantastic, especially if your car has that stale smell or if you happen to eat fast food every now and then in there, or the kids do. You know how it gets that funky smell. Citrus Fresh is great for that. Northern Lights Black Spruce, we diffuse this in the evening with lavender. Fantastic for helping to just calm your mind. It's great for a restful night's sleep. So fall asleep quickly, stay asleep. It's one of my favorites for that. Peace and calming. Another powerhouse blend. It's just perfectly named. Emma uses this a lot. I like to use this when I make bath bombs. It's fantastic. This or Stress Away are two of my favorite oils for end of the day relaxing. Here's a new one. It's called Awaken, and I have no idea what it's for. I haven't even read up on it yet, but I'm going to be doing that this month, so I'm really excited. And my most favorite freebie this month is called Highest Potential. I call this a coach in a bottle. So many oils in here. I think there's about 12 or 13 of them. A lot of them are tree oils. So those are grounding oils. Fantastic for, when you're just not sure where you're headed, where you're going, you need to be grounded a little bit. So when you're making those big decisions, there's a great blend of that in here. Now there's also a lot of floral oils, including ylang ylang and rose. Those are just so fantastic for a sense of happiness and worthiness. And it's kind of like, I love you in a bottle. And then the powerhouses that they add to here, like sacred frankincense and geranium. So many benefits to that. This blend is an absolute gem, like a jackpot in a bottle. So I got it free this month, and I'm super excited to be diffusing this, especially in the new year. I mean, I don't do resolutions, but I do make plans for the new year. This is what's going in the diffuser when I need to make those big decisions. So I hope that I was able to teach you a little bit about the NHP products. I hope you're excited to try them too. If you want to learn a little bit more, drop me a message below the video. Other than that, wherever you are, I hope that you're healthy, I hope that you're happy, and I hope you're having a great day.